also represent people outside of collisions and car accidents. If people are injured at somebody else's property, at someone's workplace. Can you talk a little bit about what somebody would do in that type of situation?
You know, a common way that people are injured is falls, particularly in supermarkets where you have items on the floor like grapes or there's water in the produce section. Typically people are very embarrassed. They're very kind of discombobulated because they've just fallen and they're maybe hurting. But if you have the presence of mind to do it, it's just like an auto collision. Obviously you're not exchanging driver's licenses, but make sure you look around, see what caused you to fall, photograph it. Cell phones are fantastic for that. And then make sure you download it afterwards. And then secondly, make sure you report the fall to somebody, the store manager or to an employee so that you can document that this happened. I guarantee you that if you don't do that, and 4 or 5 months later you're still hurting, you retain myself or another lawyer, the store's going to deny if it never happened. They're going to argue that you're a liar, you're scamming. So just cover yourself, take the photographs, take close-ups of what caused you to fall, then take some distance photographs so it shows where in the store you fell and where it was in relationship to other items. Like for example, it's one thing to take a photograph just showing water on the floor, but step back and take a photograph of where that water is. Usually it's right by the wet displays where the sprinklers go. So oftentimes the sprinklers shoot too far. So if you show that, then everybody has an understanding of most likely where the water came from. Oftentimes they'll also show mats at different areas near the wet display, but not where you fell. And that right there shows negligence. They should have mats everywhere.